Oh my god. Oh
my god. Catfish.
Hey. Oh,
Come on, boy.
oh, it's okay. Hey, give me the.
Come on. นี่ของเต่าทา
Stop catfish. Well done, brother.
Come on.
Okay, well done. Okay.
Ooh, piranha.
Well done,
Look at the teeth.
Okay, well done. Now you can see.
BKKGUY. Monday.
Well done. On yourself. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Slowly. On yourself is good.
Oh, it's better hook.
It's okay. I got it. Oh, I think this is a big one. We go all the way out so far. Stay. Just stay. Because I will take from here. You see, here's the shallow one. Yeah. Slowly. Slow. Don't use too much force because the mouth will tear. Yeah. Monday. Okay, you move backward. No, you move backward. No, you stay. You move backward. The fish here, I pull out the fish. Yes, two. I cannot go. You move backward. Yes, move backward. Yes, move backward. Yes. Stay. Okay. Now you can see.
BKKGUY. Monday.
Well done. On yourself. Okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. Good. You're good. Okay. Good. Okay, to the left because you don't cross your line. Okay, stay. Don't fall in the water. Okay, stay. Okay, stay. Fight. It's okay. Fight. Sorry. Don't pull too hard. The mouth will tear. Sorry. Soft. It's not the hook, it's the mouth.
Yeah.
I know. Yes. Oh. Stay. Just stay. Because here's the only way. Kalau mendi ya. Hey. Stay cool. Okay. Sorry. Enjoy. Okay. You move backward. You have to move backward. Yes. Then okay. Then I will pull you up. The smaller one.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. Good. Okay, good. Okay, hold. Good. Stay. Fight. Strong. Paku. It's like piranha. Piranha. Yeah, it has piranha, you know. Oh, okay. Okay, stay. Yeah. I do. Up. Oh! Yeah!
Ooh, piranha.
Well done,
Show the teeth.
Okay, well done.
A few moments later.
Catfish. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Yes, he would like to swim towards us. Come to the left, yeah. Okay, now stay. Okay, good. If he run, just hold, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Tomorrow catfish is different. Tomorrow is Mekong. That is much stronger.
Much stronger than this one?
Yes, much stronger.
What is this one?
Later, I will go down and pull him up here. Wait first. Okay. No, go. There's a wood. There's a wood. You go far away. You see, there's a wood structural. Okay. Stay.
In Australia, we don't eat freshwater barramundi. Only out of the ocean.
Yeah.
Seafood, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, what we do is you want to go somewhere?
Because there's a hole. Don't. You stay. You move backward. Yeah. Because move. Use the water buoyancy. Bring it back. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Move backward. Yes. See. Okay. Oh. He's a fighter.
Fighter.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Move backward. Okay. Chaophraya catfish. Well done, brother. Okay, well done. Okay, good. Okay, you release.
Release.
I know. Yeah. Okay, release. See what you do. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, go. Stay. Oh.
Pull it out of it now.
Big one. ไม่ใช่กูหาดูหาดูนี่ปุ๊บนี่ได้พงให้ก็ไปนู่นเลยI want you to snake it. I think it's fine.
Oh,
If you get snake head, you go. This is barramundi. You caught already.
barramundi.
Yeah, this is barramundi. But if you got the snake head, you go. Big one. Okay. Yellow fin, Okay, one. Up. Oh. Okay, come on. Move out, just move out. Move out. I'll pull you. Yes, pull. Reel.